Good morning, students. Hope you will be fine at your respective places. Last time we were discussing this photosynthetic pigments, and we will continue that again. And we have discussed this chlorophyll. Today we will discuss one more, that is carotenes. Now these carotenes, they are the lipids. They are mainly the lipids and carotenoids beta. Second one is carotenoids, and these carotenoids are actually lipids, and they can be classified, they are of mainly two types. First one, we have got carotenes. And second one, we have got then xanthophylls. Now see what is there. This carotene की अगर हम बात कर लेंगे, this carotene, it is red in color, mainly it is orange red in color. अगर हम xanthophylls की बात कर लेंगे, it is yellow in color. Second one, these carotenes, they have got the general formula C40H56, while as these xanthophylls, they have the general formula C40H56O2. So these xanthophylls, अगर हम बात कर लेंगे, they contain oxygen along with carbon and hydrogen. So whether that is carotene or that is xanthophyll, अगर हम बात कर लेंगे, both of them, they have 40 carbon atoms. Carotene, it has got 40 carbon atoms, while as अगर हम बात कर लेंगे किसकी, if we talk of the xanthophylls, it too has got 40 carbon atoms. Second one, we have got this, यहाँ पर हमारे पास एक है, that is called as lutein. Lutein हमारे पास एक है, it is a widely distributed xanthophylls की हम बात कर लेंगे. एंड जो हम देखते हैं कि खजान के मौसम में हम देखते हैं, ऑटम सीजन में हम क्या देखते हैं कि मेनली जो हमारे क्रॉप जो होते हैं, दे बिकम समवट गोल्डन येलो इन कलर, दे बिकम येलो इन कलर. इट इज बिकॉज ऑफ दिस xanthophylls which is responsible for the yellow color in autumn foliage. एक और हमारे पास है, we have got, अगर हम इनके एग्जांपल, we have got one more, यहाँ पर एक और हमारे पास, that is called as fucoxanthin. Fucoxanthin की अगर हम बात कर लेंगे, it is mainly found in the brown algae, that is called as, the brown algae की अगर हम बात करेंगे, that is called as Phaeophyceae. Now both these carotenes as well as these carotenoids, अगर हम इन दोनों की बात कर लेंगे, they absorb energy, they absorb light energy. Both these carotenes as well as these xanthophylls, they absorb light energy, and then they transfer this light energy to chlorophyll A. Both these carotenes and xanthophylls, they absorb light energy, and then they transfer this light energy to chlorophyll A. Thus both these carotenes and xanthophylls, अगर हम इनकी बात करेंगे, they are accessory pigments. Now also इनकी एक और हम बात कर लेंगे, they protect the chlorophyll molecule from photooxidation. photo oxidation. How they protect this chlorophyll molecule from photo oxidation? By picking up nascent oxygen, by picking up this nascent oxygen and converting it into harmless molecular stage. So what we have studied, that these carotenoids, that is both carotenes as well as the xanthophylls, what did they do? They absorb the light energy and transfer this light energy to the chlorophyll A. Thus they act as the accessory pigments. सेकंड बात जो हम इनकी कहेंगे, दे प्रोटेक्ट द क्लोरोफिल मॉलिक्यूल फ्रॉम फोटो ऑक्सीडेशन. हाउ डिड दे प्रोटेक्ट द क्लोरोफिल मॉलिक्यूल? बाय पिकिंग अप नेसेंट ऑक्सीजन, एंड कन्वर्टिंग इट इनटू मॉलिक्यूलर स्टेज. नाउ देयर आर सम फंक्शंस ऑफ कैरोटेनॉइड्स. फंक्शंस. हाँ, व्हाट वी हैव स्टडीड, जो हमने यहां पर पढ़ा. नंबर फर्स्ट, अगर हम बात करेंगे, दे एक्ट एज एसेसरी पिगमेंट्स. वेरी गुड, दे एक्ट एज एसेसरी पिगमेंट्स. सो फर्स्ट जो इनकी फंक्शन है, दे एक्ट एज एसेसरी पिगमेंट्स. सेकंड वन, हाँ, हाउ दे? Because they absorb the light energy and then transfer it to the chlorophyll. ये इसकी एक फंक्शन है. अगर हम दूसरी फंक्शन इनकी लेंगे, हाँ, जो हमने यहां पर देखा, they protect the chlorophyll molecule. Protection of chlorophyll molecule from photooxidation by picking up NaSCENT, nascent oxygen. By picking up nascent oxygen. Number third, in the what we call as these carotenoids, because they impart different colors. Carotene, they impart orange and color. The xanthophyll, it impart yellow color. So they attract. What we'll see the flowers. अगर हम बात करेंगे फ्रूट्स की, हम बात करेंगे, they become more attractive. That is more attractive. कौन बनते हैं? Namely, that is flowers. That is fruits. They become more attractive, and when they become more active, they help in pollination and fertilization. So this was all about the carotenoids. अगर हम carotenoids की बात करेंगे, they are mainly the lipids. We have got two types of carotenoids. First one is the carotenes and xanthophylls. अगर हम carotene की बात करेंगे, they are orange in color, while xanthophylls are yellow in color. Carotenes have the molecular formula C40H56, while xanthophylls have molecular formula C40H56O2. So they have the addition of this oxygen. The xanthophylls, what we will see, अगर हम उनकी बात करेंगे, एक इंपॉर्टेंट हमारे पास xanthophylls, that is the lutein, and this lutein is responsible for a yellowing color during the autumn foliage. In autumn foliage. Second one हमारे पास example है xanthophylls की, that is fucoxanthin, which is found in the brown algae या Phytophyceae. These carotenoids. Both these carotenes and xanthophylls, they absorb the light energy and transfer it to the chlorophyll. Thus, they act as the accessory pigments. They protect the chlorophyll molecule from photooxidation by picking up the nascent oxygen and converting it into the harmless molecular state. Now, these are some of the functions. First one, they are the necessary pigments. Second one, they protect the chlorophyll molecule from photooxidation by picking up the nascent ones. Third one, जो हमारे पास flowers होते हैं या fruits जो होते हैं, they become more attractive because of these pigments, and thus they help in the pollination and fertilization. This was carotenoids. Now we have got one more this pigment which is present in the plant. And what is that pigment? C part. What is that pigment? अगर हम उसकी बात करेंगे, so we have got phycobilins. 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 These phycobilins, they are mainly found in blue-green algae. Found in blue-green algae. Blue-green algae, which are also called as cyanobacteria, and they are also found in red algae. So phycobilins, they are mainly found in the blue-green algae, which are also called as the cyanobacteria and red algae. And these pigments, अगर हम इनके स्ट्रक्चर की बात करेंगे, these pigments, अगर हम इनकी स्ट्रक्चर की बात करेंगे, they have got tetrapyrrolic ring, but that is not closed, that is open. That ring is open, that is tetrapyrrolic ring, which is open, and they do chlorophyll में हम क्या देखते हैं कि that there is the magnesium in the center. Here we will see no magnesium is present. No magnesium is present. और एक और बात वहां पर हम देखते थे कि this had chlorophyll में there was a phytol chain. No phytol chain, that means phytol chain is present. So phycobilins, they are mainly found in blue-green algae or cyanobacteria and red alga. Second one, these pigments, they have open tetrapyrrolic ring, and they do not bear the magnesium and phytol chain. हाँ, अगर हम इनकी बात करेंगे, phycobilins, we have got two types of phycobilins. First one, phycocyanin. And we have got one more that is called as phycoerythrin. These phycobilins, they are of the two types. Number one, जब हम बात करते हैं ब्लू ग्रीन एल्गी में, दे हैव गॉट द मोर क्वांटिटी ऑफ फाइकोसाइनिन एंड रेड एल्गाहाइड. यहां पर हम बात करें फाइकोसाइनिन की, अगर हम बात करेंगे, देयर इज ब्लू ग्रीन एल्गी, उसमें ये ज्यादा पाया जाता है, एंड दे हैव मोर. एंड फाइकोएरिथ्रिन की अगर हम बात कर लेंगे, वहां पर हम क्या देखते हैं, दैट दे हैव गॉट दिस रेड एल्गा में इसकी तादाद बहुत ज्यादा पाई जाती है. एंड बोथ दीज फाइकोसाइनिन एंड फाइकोएरिथ्रिन टुगेदर दे कॉन्स्टिट्यूट दिस फाइकोबिलिन्स. एक और बात, these phycocyanin, they are more in blue green algae, and phycoerythrin, they are more in red algae. They are water soluble. They are water soluble pigments. They are water soluble pigments. So this was about this phycobilins. What is the phycobilins? They are the another type of these pigments which are mainly found in the blue green algae or cyanobacteria, and they are found in the red alga. दूसरी बात हम कहेंगे these pigments have open tetrapyrrole ring, and there we will see they do not bear this magnesium and they do not bear this phytol chain. We have got mainly two types of the phycobilins, एक हम बोलते हैं phycocyanin and phycoerythrin. Phycocyanin की तादाद it is more in the blue green algae, while as this phycoerythrin it is more in the red algae. Second बात, अगर हम बात कर लेंगे both these phycocyanin and phycoerythrin, which we together constitute the phycobilins, they are the water soluble pigments. This was all about this pigmentation, how the pigments, what are the various types of the pigments which are present in the plants. In the next video we will proceed further in this process of photosynthesis. Until then, goodbye, God bless you, thanks.